Hi, this is the intro to the physical science and the honors physical science class. And physical science this year cover Newton's laws of motion, and they get to do quite a bit of earth science. So we're going to look at earth science, the big picture, what's happening in the world. This class is going to be a flipped class, and we'll get into that a little bit more. One thing for all you people that have been whitewater rafting trip, one of the things I really like about this hat from Sands River Trips says no whiners. So enough said. Some things for this class you're going to need. You're going to need a Gmail account, and we'll talk a little bit more about these in class. With the Gmail account, you're going to have Google Docs. You'll have all sorts of the whole array of different Google applications there. You're also going to need a Moodle account. This class, the information, worksheets, labs, if you're absent, they're all going to be on the Moodle at the ISD. So you'll definitely have to make an account for that. What I would suggest, if you don't have an account, I would use your Gmail address and your Gmail password as your password for your Moodle account. Another nice feature you might want to get into is Dropbox. And Dropbox is a way you can save all your files to any of your computers. Also in this class this year, so we're flipping it, and we do have wireless now. Bring your own devices. This could be a laptop. It could be an iPad. People last year used their iPhones. We're going to encourage you to bring your own devices and to utilize those in class. Do have some computers in class here. We will be going to the computer lab once a week, probably on Fridays. There's a possibility of also getting a mobile computer lab in here. But if you've got yours, feel free to bring it. The big thing in the flip class is the lectures like this are going to be posted on your Moodle account. And it's your responsibility to watch these and take notes on these. The lectures typically are 5 to 10 minutes long, and we're going to take notes on these using the Cornell style of notes. You can put your notes Cornell style if you want to do them on your computer, your laptop if you will. If you want to go ahead and put them on paper or a spiral book or a composition book, it really doesn't matter. But I will check these notes every day after we have a lecture. So a word to the wise there. So you may say, well, if you're going to lecture, then what the heck are you going to do in class time? Well, class time is for reinforcement and help you with any problems, worksheets we have, labs, activities. You can listen to me talk at home just as easy as you can in class here. So class time is really going to be used for more one-on-one or more small group discussions. So you can see from the arrangement, the tables in here, looks like they're in different pods or areas, and that's the way it's going to be. There's going to be sometimes you come to class, one group is maybe working on a worksheet, another one's doing a lab, the other one's doing a demonstration, people helping each other, and what I'm looking forward to is walking around and working with the groups. Instead of trying to do 30 kids at once, we'll have these different areas here. Kids learn at different speeds, so hopefully this will allow kids to work at their own pace there. The other one, we talked a little bit about computer usage. Some other computer things we're going to use is Wiki. I've set up a Wiki account, and you'll all be invited. And what I'd like to use for the Wiki for the honors class and the regular physical science classes is you guys go ahead and post what you think is important in class. You can use those as test reviews. And speaking of tests will be done on the computer, be off your Moodle website. And the nice thing about that, they're instantly graded, you know how you did. And the other thing in a flip class, along with being a flip class, is the mastery learning. So you're not going to be able to take the class until you've completed all the assignments for that particular section. If you haven't finished them yet, you're not going to be able to take the test. The whole idea here is it's your learning. You're responsible for your learning. It's there's no sense of you taking the test if you haven't completed the material beforehand. Also with the mastery learning, anything less than a 75%, you're going to have the chance to retake. We're here for you to further your knowledge, and that's kind of what the whole base is here. We want you to succeed. A couple other things as far as computer usage. I'll have a blog out there called The Running Scientist. Put class announcements on there, things I find of interest, you should look at that probably at least once a week. It'll give you a rough idea of what's happening in the week. The other thing, I have a Twitter account. I tweet and retweet a lot of interesting things in earth science and physics. Kids kind of got tired of me posting all these on Gmail, so we just started following my Twitter account. So hopefully you'll do that also. Looking forward to this year. This is going to be an interesting year as we're doing the Flip Mastery Learning. And I think it's going to be fun, and we'll see how it goes. And good luck this year, and have fun, and let's learn about what's happening in the earth.